bounce right around the net. Here's Sammy G. Takes a hit, he gets knocked down by Lemieux, and now he and Graves are going to go. Let's do it. Rocking and rolling Graves, grabbing Lemieux. Pulls his sweater off. Can't get the right hand free, though. Right by Lemieux. Graves trying to stretch out. Linesman trying to step in, and they'll both go down in a heap, so no harm done. Nobody lands a blow, really, as they continue to wrestle Roman Greco style, but the linesman finally able to separate him. But
man, that was a big hit on Sammy Girard. And Graves comes right away across.
Squared him up really well, did Lemieux. Really well.
Yeah. I mean, there's nothing wrong with that check other than Graves didn't like it.
Yep.
So he was right.
We'll see if any penalties come out of this.
I think